children, welcome to our science class. Children, in this session we are going to recall about chapter 8 invention and inventor. Children, can you tell me what is meant by invention? Invention is an act of making something new for the first time. It's called invention. For example, bicycle, television, mobile phones, computer, etc. Children, can you tell me what is meant by technology? Yes. Technology is the application of science which leads to invention. As we keep improving on invention, the technology keeps improving too. For example, earlier we used to wait for days to get a letter through the postal service, but now we can send and receive emails in an instant with the help of internet. This has changed the way we communicate. Children, now we are going to recall about some common invention. Observe the picture. Children, can you tell me about a plastics? Yes. If we look around, you will see that many things at home are made up of plastics. Glasses, plates, spoons, storage jars, etc. Now we are going to recall about advantages of plastics. See, plastic is cheap. Plastic is easily available. Plastic is more durable. Things made of plastic are colorful and attractive. There are less in weight. These are all advantages of plastics. Now we are going to recall about disadvantages of plastics. See the picture. Disposal of plastic waste is very harmful for the earth as plastic does not break down and mix in the soil. Hence it is very harmful for all living beings. Observe the picture. Children, now we are going to recall about machines. Many machines are used in our daily life. Example, washing machine, vacuum cleaner, refrigerator, microwave oven, etc. Now we are going to recall about advantages of machine. See, they work faster and save our time. They make our work easier. They can work for long hours. Children, see, now we are going to recall about disadvantages of machine. All machines made in factories. These factories gives out smoke which is very harmful. The chemicals thrown out as waste materials from factories cause water and soil pollution. Machines that produce harmful smoke and chemicals destroy the Earth's atmosphere, which result in global warming. See, now we are going to recall about buildings. Buildings are strong structure used for living and business purpose. Now we are going to recall about advantages of buildings. See, buildings provides us shelter. They protect us under belonging from rain, heat, cold and wild animals. Now we are going to recall about disadvantages of buildings. Make of buildings leads to deforestation, that is cutting of forest to make place for buildings. Now we are going to see about television. Television is a machine on which we can watch programs. Now we are going to recall about advantages of television. It gives us the latest information on all that is happening around the world. Television educates us on many things. We get all the important news instantly. Now we are going to recall about disadvantages of television. Watching too much of television can cause eyesight problem. Many of the television shows are not suitable for children. Children, now we are going to recall about famous invention. See, steam engine. James Watt was showcased inventor and engineer. In 1765, Watt revolutionized the steam engine. In the modern times, the electric engine has replaced the steam engine. Observe the picture and listen. Aeroplane. The Wright brothers of America, named Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright, invented the first aeroplane. Children, now we are going to recall about television. John Logie Baird was a showcased engineer and inventor who invented the television. In 1925, he was able to show human faces on his television. In 1926, he was able to show pictures of moving objects. And then in 1928, he invented the colored television. Now we are going to recall about telegraph. In 1830, an American, Samuel Morse, invented a device for long distance communication. It is a system which is able to transmit signal through coded letters, numbers and signs known as Morse code. See, now we are going to recall about telephone. Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone in 1876. It is one of the most common means of communication. Telephone send voice over electrical wires. In modern times, the mobile phones have almost replaced the humble landlines. Now we are going to recall about internet. The internet is a network of interconnected computers around the world. We can send and receive emails, chats and read news on various websites. Children, now it's time for homework. Do question number 10, page number 41 in workbook. The question is, name a few places around your area have been built on the agricultural land. Next, ask your parents if they remember what the area looked like before buildings came up, and document your findings. Do the application part, page number 43-44 in workbook. Cut out the picture of your favorite invention and paste them in the box given below. First question, who invented the invention? Next, write few lines on the advantages or the benefits of that invention for the society. Next, mention some of the disadvantages of that invention and their impact on the society. Next, I learnt dash while doing this application. Next, I would like to thank for helping me in this application. Next, I completed this application dash day or days. Do the creative part, page number 45 or 46 in workbook. The question is, draw a poster on how buildings will look like after 50 years, or write an article on how mobile phones have brought great changes in our lives. It has two works. You have to do only one thing from these two works. Upload your work through Google Classroom app, children. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.